Today I am making chicken quesadilla and I want to show you how to make it also. My name is Elmarie. Let's get started. Simple lunch, very delicious. Love it. So first I will clean and wash my chicken. This is just taking off the breast from the chicken, so I'm using the breast only. So I will remove all the fatty pieces. I don't want those. I already deboned this chicken, so now I will wash it. I'll use a little vinegar to clean the meat. Now I am gonna slice the chicken very small, very thin. When making quesadilla, the inside part of the breast, the soft breast inside, is the best part to make your quesadilla. Softer, tastes better. So I'm just cutting the chicken here now in some strips. So now I will add my seasoning, which I'm using all powder seasoning. First I will add some garlic powder. Even though I'm using the ground garlic, I will still use some garlic powder because I like cooking with a lot of garlic. This one is roasted red pepper. So I will add a little also. This is the rotisserie seasoning. Cool Runnings all-purpose. Lately I try to get turmeric in like every meal. So I will add a little turmeric, not much because I don't want the turmeric to give it this curry looks. So I will just add a little bit of turmeric. And of course some liquid chicken seasoning. So now I will just combine all of this. While I have the frying pan heated. Guys, if you watch this video so far, please give the video a like, and also if you're new, please subscribe. So now I will just pour some cooking oil in my frying pan. Now the oil is hot, so I will add the chicken. because I don't want them to stick on each other because it's small pieces. So while the chicken is frying, I will start cutting my ground provision. All the vegetables that I'm going to put in, I'll start cutting. So here I'm using bell pepper. I love to use different color peppers, you know, because it really looks pretty and attractive. And I'm using onion, but I'm using the red onion. I'm using hot pepper, supposed to be Scotch bonnet, and I'm also using garlic and scallion. So I cover because I want the chicken not to be dry but so soft and so juicy. So that's the reason to cover the pot, and it will cook slowly. And I prefer the red pepper because I think it's more flavorful, the red pepper. And I think also the red pepper have more health value than the rest. I'll give it a stir. Coming along nicely. So guys, I turned the fire down on a low flame because I don't want it to burn and I don't want it to be too dry. Like I said before, I really want the chicken to be juicy. So the pepper, I cut it very fine. So all of these now, I'm going to be adding all of these to the chicken. So now I will add the vegetable to the chicken. So generally, I will add the onion and the scallion first, and the garlic. And then I'll add the peppers. Generous stir. Guys, look how pretty this look. Oh my god, so colorful. The colors really stand out. Smell very nice. The aroma that is coming from this, you will just start eating it from this stage. I just clean the board because this board I'm going to be using again. Now this is ready for this is all done. It's ready now to put in the rack. Now I will just taste the chicken. So I'll just grease the grill a little bit. The iron is not very hot as yet. Then I'll go ahead and put some cheese on it. Then I will place the chicken on top of the cheese. I'll put it to one side because I'm going to fold it. I'll just sprinkle a little more cheese on top. I'll make sure cheese is at the end because the cheese at the end is gonna seal it. Then I'll give it a flip and I will turn it over. So you see the cheese, seal it right at the end, the edge here. Now I'm gonna turn this side because I'm looking for the diamond on the outer part just to mark it nicely. So that one is done. I'll start with the second one. This one is finished, so I can remove this one from the stove. There we go. That's the first one. I'll put some cheese at the edge again because I'm going to be folding it. And cheese on top. I'll fold it. Using the knife, so wrong. So now this is all done and I place the quesadilla to the side. I will be cutting the same tortilla shell to make some chips to serve with the meal. So I'll cut it like this. Okay, so I'll just cut them in different size. So now the oil is hot and I will add them to the oil. You have to hold it because we don't want it to sink all at once. So we have to hold it. You don't want it to sink. And that's it for all of them. And it's easy to get color, so you have to work fast. So guys, I reached to the most important part, to be plating and eating. To get even slices, I love to cut it in half first. Then I'll cut it again. Here you have it, guys, all done. A lovely homemade quesadilla. Guys, I hope you like this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. So I will just dip it in the salsa. Simple lunch, very delicious. Love it. This is just missing some guacamole on the side. I'll have it another time. See you in the next video.